Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 0, Nikagawa 0. I'm joined by China.
Stephen Zayam.
Yeah, sure.
Congratulations to every player that is going to the World Cup.
Yes,
we're proud of the boys. We believe in the boys.
Yeah.
But kunendo mani Stibo. But we need to address Sigma Coast.
Yes.
People should know that the fans yes, we are not happy.
Yeah.
We can't always be happy.
Sure.
But we believe that every player that is there,
Yeah.
not everyone can be happy. Yes, it deserves to be, but however, now.
But why?
We don't know the coach, because the coach can have so many reasons. But I believe the Kaizer Chiefs, the real Kaizer Chiefs supporters,
yes,
are supporting Bafana Bafana. We should not be fooled by the Kaizer Chiefs supporters that are actually social media supporters. No, Killer is the actual Kaizer Chiefs support. Don't do that with Killer. But I'm calling those TikTok and Facebook supporters. The supporters that don't even attend the games. Those supporters, they only check the score results and then say something. So now they are pushing the agenda yabo.
Sure.
Ngeke sibizwe sonke Sipho Njayama. Bekunideka 26 players. Yes, ikhona izinto esingazithandanga that were done by the SAFA. South Fund need to be accountable. The minister was there.
Sure.
The president, the presidential office was there. The president's office was there.
Yes,
so in there, why you call them? Whereas you know that you're not going to select them. As Matara said on the press conference, that I knew that I won't even call Peterson. I think USAFA, the organizers from USAFA, they could have handled the matter better. They could have done better. Why don't you just issue out emails to the players that you know that they will be selected? So I believe, yes, it's not Hugo Bro's mistake. That one, I think the organizers from the SAFA, the president was there. Now controlling those players. Some players we babulala. Players Peterson players ngale union buildings, whereas you know that awuzobabiza. So leyo nto ayisiphathanga grand singabalandeli bonke. But sekwenzekile asizoyichinja indaba kaPeterson. And we believe to the boys that has khona lana ukuthi they will do the job. But ukuthi thina isithunzi sethu seKaizer Chiefs sizocekiselwa ngabantu phansi because of kukuzinto ezithile. Sonke singama supporters. Akekho usupport engcono kunenye. But we need to unite. Nasike senze into engcono. This time remember that last AFCON besibabaza umduduzi kanti thina sizode sibukele nini ibhola. So I still believe that Kaizer Chiefs supporters somehow are wounded. So everything ends Bafana, they are always against. Those are social media supporters, not the real supporters. So they need Aksima friends with Kaizer Chiefs. Aksima Kaizer Chiefs like Zalian. Yes, yakhala ngomadala. Arrogance yakhe. But uyahamba manje. So sizothini? Abafethu believe to the boys. Salute.